Okay, so I just launched an application that is built on top of a BRC 100 wallet that I also built pretty recently. And I created this scanner of the last 24 hours of BSV blocks for a daily intel report. That is super exciting, and I am gonna post more about this. But right now, I'm going to show you something really important for development, and that's the database. So there's lots of databases in development. They're all over the place. You don't even realize how many databases there are, including in blockchain. So right now, what I'm going to do is log into the database to check something because I just posted on X the launch of that application. So I'm curious, how did I do? Did I get some people buying the report? The report costs 1,000 sats. That's not very much money, sub pennies, sub penny. So anyway, authenticating here. So this is the database. Most of these tables are BRC100 wallet tables. So you can see certificates, next migration to output baskets, output tags. Maybe not familiar if you're not familiar with BRC100 wallet infra, but I'm just telling you these tables are in fact BRC100 out of the box if you install the wallet toolbox. But what I want to show you is, so this sessions table and this reports table I added as part of my application. So right now, checking those payments. So let us see how well this works. So we're going to check the sessions table to see what kind of payments came through. All right, so look at this shows me that we have a handful of people that paid. I want to show you this column here, internalized. So what this means is that, so we see the payment method is P2PKH. So that means it came through from a non-BRC 100 wallet because I built a pipeline for that. And so I built a function called re-internalize. I won't describe how all that worked, but this column here, this one right here must have just came through, and I have a script that runs and grabs those P2PKH payments, and it just hasn't grabbed that one yet. So you can see these here. Let's see. Not sure if you can see what I'm pointing at. 3. Okay, so these must have just came through, and 3 were internalized. That means they came through into a payment basket here in the BRC100 wallet system. So this should turn to 1 pretty quickly because I set it up to be automated. And then I'm going to show you one other thing that might be fun. So this one should show the full payment journey from address derivation to internalization. So let's see how this does. Okay, so we have, yep, that one that I said was pending, it's pending. Hasn't come through yet. Claimed, This tells me when it was paid. Fun. Anyway, I used to be database administrator for SQL Server databases and have done a lot of work with data querying. So, but what I want to tell you is that you don't need to know SQL anymore. You can have You can have an AI agent write you a query. Just tell it what you want. Tell it what type of SQL environment you're in, and it will write it for you. I mean, it is fun to learn how if you like that, but like, I learned how back in the day, but I don't care anymore because it's easier to have something else write it for you. So, all right, well, hope that was informative, and now you know a little bit of the guts in a BRC100 wallet toolbox
Got a curve in the game,
database.
laid out clean with the point named G and a math machine. Pick a secret number, that's your key. Multiply G now.